Back down to the same slot. Grab with needle nose pliers if necessary. You might have young hands and can do it without, oh, put it down too far. I'll get one in there. Oh yeah. Nice and tight. Back up through. Nice and tight. And then back through. Same slot. Grab what we did in those pliers. Push around in there. Pull it nice and tight. All right. While you're pulling it nice and tight, go ahead and pop my rivet hole. It is grab my rivet, the hole. Pop the cap on there. Got it seated. And like so. And then here, cut off this little extra. Not cutting through the body. There we are. Ta-da. And so I'm going to put 2 slots here and then slots on the outside. And that way he can put it on his belt and run his belt through here, through the center, and then over here to the edge. So, ta-da.